Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get the most compatible photo format on iPhone camera. So to do that, you just need to go click open the settings. So before doing that, you need to make sure that the quality of your picture by go open the camera sections, and right after that you just need to try to take a picture. And let's just check what the format that we have here by go click this I button, and you'll see there will be an HEIC, means that this kind of like high efficiency photo format. So let's just change it into the most compatible by go back into the home part, go open the settings, scrolling up until you found the camera section. And here you just need to go click the camera section, and you just need to pick the format style here, and you just need to change from the high efficiency into the most compatible. And what make it different? So the most compatible format will make your photo will be saved in the JPEG, so that all of the device will have capability to open the picture that you take with the iPhone. So yeah, let's just try to take a picture again, and let's just check the format of this picture. And voila, you see that it's already changed into the JPEG. So that is the way, guys, how to get the most compatible photo format on iPhone camera. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and I'll let to see you for the next tutorial.